Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share some amazing healthy lunch ideas for kids that are not only nutritious but also fun and easy to make. Whether you're packing lunch for school or serving it at home, these ideas will keep your little ones excited about mealtime. First up, we have the rainbow wrap. This colorful and nutritious wrap is packed with veggies and hummus, making it a perfect lunch option. Simply spread hummus on a whole wheat tortilla. Layer shredded carrots, sliced bell peppers, cucumbers, and spinach. Then roll it up and cut it into fun, bite-sized pieces. These rainbow wraps are not only vibrant but also packed with vitamins and fiber, keeping your kids full and energized throughout the day. Next, we have a DIY Lunchable. Skip the store-bought version and create your own healthy Lunchable at home. It's easy and fun for kids to assemble. Fill one section of a lunchbox with whole grain crackers, add slices of cheese and turkey or chicken, and include a section for fruit like grapes or apple slices. This DIY Lunchable is customizable, so you can mix and match with your child's favorite ingredients. It's a balanced meal that's fun to eat. Our third idea is a Veggie Cheese Quesadilla. This warm and cheesy dish is a great way to sneak in some extra veggies. Place a whole wheat tortilla in a pan, sprinkle with shredded cheese and a mix of chopped veggies, top with another tortilla, and cook until golden brown. Cut into wedges, and you've got a quesadilla packed with flavor and nutrition that's sure to be a hit with your kids. For dessert, how about a fruit yogurt parfait? This sweet and healthy treat is a great way to end a meal or serve as a midday snack. Layer Greek yogurt in a small container, drizzle with honey, add fresh fruit, and top with granola. This parfait is rich in protein, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it a perfect healthy treat for your little ones. Finally, let's get creative with a bento box. Bento boxes are a great way to offer variety and keep things interesting for your kids. Fill one section with rolled turkey slices, add cheese cubes and cherry tomatoes to another section, include cucumber slices, and a small treat like a square of dark chocolate. Bento boxes are not only fun and visually appealing, but they also encourage balanced eating with a variety of foods. Plus, kids love discovering what's inside. And there you have it, 5 easy and healthy lunch ideas for kids that are sure to make mealtime a hit. Remember, the key to healthy eating is variety and making it fun. Try these ideas out and let us know which ones your kids love the most. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more nutritious and delicious recipes. See you next time.